So today let's revise positive and negative numbers. To learn about positive and negative numbers, we need to look at the number line with 0 in the middle. All the numbers to the right side of the number line, which are numbers greater than 0, let's say for example 1, 5.5, 4, 59/10, 7.5, 9, and so on to infinity. All numbers which are greater than 0 are positive numbers. Then we look to the other side of the number line. These are all the negative numbers, numbers which are less than 0. Like -1, -1.5, -5, -8, -9, and so on to negative infinity are your negative numbers. All right. Remember, when you're dealing with positive numbers, if the number is large like 9 and 1, and we do a comparison, if 1 and between 1 and 9, we can see the comparison like 9 and 1. We know that 9 is greater than 1 because value of 9 is big. But when we come to negative numbers and we have to compare -9 and -1, the value of 9 is actually smaller. So remember that with negative numbers, the larger the negative number, the smaller the number is. Let's do some examples. Example 1. List these numbers from smallest to biggest. All right, list these numbers from smallest to biggest. The first thing you have to do is find the smallest number. The smallest number will be the number with the biggest value number with a negative sign. Here we can see it's -18. Fine, we write that first, -18. After that comes the next big number, -11. Then we come to -2. Then we cross the 0 and we come to 3. Then we go in order, 6 and 16. You can always draw a number line if you are confused. With 0 in the middle, place your numbers on the number line. Okay, let's place these numbers. Where would they be on this number line? -18 would be here, -11, -2, and on this side we get 3, 6, and 16. Place them there and you'll find your numbers in order in the number line. Example number 2. Which is larger, -16 or -10? As I showed you, if you look on the number line, where would -16? It would be on this side. Then we get a -10 and we have your 0. It's on further down the number line. So -16 is smaller. So the relationship between the two is, it is smaller than -10. Also remember that every positive number is always larger than a negative number. If I ask you relationship between -10 and 10, what's the relationship? Which is, they're not equal. The positive number is always bigger than the negative number, because 10 would be here and -10 would be this side of the number line.